Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and mega give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The police put out the name of 88 smaddy who them say make crime go up across the island. Dr. Horace Chang, or the Minister for National Security, said the government a move to make sure so the police officer them get them proper pay for the work what them do. The driver who licked down and killed a woman per Washington Boulevard in a St. Andrew on Tuesday carried himself to the police. The Reggae Boys look like them now go qualify for this year World Cup in a Qatar after them lose 2-1 to Mexico yesterday at the National Stadium. Now for the full tour of them. The police put out the name of 88 smaddy who them say make crime go up across the island. According to Fitz Bailey, or the Deputy Commissioner for Police who in charge of crime, the people them wanted for kill people, shooting, for hurt people, rape and other serious crime. Him said the police think them people are dangerous, them walk with gun and them shot and kill people. DCP Bailey say me remind people say for have wanted people at them yard and one crime. Anybody who know which part them people are there for call the Criminal Investigation Branch pan 876-929-9256, Crime Stop pan 311, Operation Kingfish pan 811-119 are the nearest police station. Dr. Horace Chang, or the Minister for National Security, said the government a move to make sure so the police officer them get them proper pay for the work what them do. Dr. Chang said the way all the rank and file member them get paid over the years, it would look like a this the government a this them. This come after the Police Federation carry the government go court because of some overtime money what them said them no get. Them a go on trial April. The Police Federation filed a lawsuit against the government in 2019 because them said them members did work more than 40 hours a week and them now get paid. The driver who lit down and killed a woman on Washington Boulevard in a St. Andrew on Tuesday carried himself to the police. The man got the Arthur Tree police station with him lawyer Anthony Williams yesterday. Mr. Williams' same client might get charged to kill somebody from dangerous driving and because him never report a guan in a 24 hours. But him say true him client did go a doctor make him never go report what guan. According to the police report, little before 7 in the morning, one grey Toyota Probox lit down the woman. She dead at hospital. Xavier Main, or the Minister for State in the Ministry for National Security, so right now 118 active cases in the country lock up them. Him give 500 self-test kit to the Department for Correctional Services. Mr. Main said 94 people who get locked up have the virus and 24 staff have it too. On top of that, him said the people them who have the virus are stand by themselves. So far, 498 people who get locked up catch the virus get better and 421 staff members get better. The St. James Police said them lock up one man who them think will go around and rape woman Wednesday. According to the police report, them lock up the man after them answer one call say one woman did a ball out in the Fairview part of Montego Bay. The police said the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse Sisoka are looking at 8 cases where them think the man involved in. The rape them go on in a Union Street, Barnett Street and Fairview in a Montego Bay. Now for sports. The Reggae Boys don't look like them are going to qualify for this year World Cup in a Qatar after them lose 2-1 to Mexico yesterday at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boys did have to play all of the second half with 10 man after defender Damian Lowe get one red card. The Reggae Boys scored first in the 58th minute, then Mexico scored in the 81st and 83rd minute. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. My name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.